Let's earn English effortlessly with a story that teaches a lesson for life. The power of honesty. Once there lived a boy named Arav in a small town. His father ran a small fruit stall near the bus stop. Every morning, Arav woke up before sunrise to help his father. Together, they cleaned the fruits, arranged them neatly in baskets, and prepared for the day ahead. Life was simple, but not easy. Money was always tight. Arav was a good boy. He respected everyone, and he always obeyed his parents. One afternoon, a man stopped by their stall. He picked some fruits, counted the money, and hurried off. Later, when Arav counted the cash, he noticed the man had given extra money by mistake. For a moment, Arav froze. No one would ever know if he kept it. His mind whispered, "This could help us buy more fruits, or maybe even some sweets for school." But then he remembered what his father always said. Money taken by mistake is never yours. If you are honest, people will trust you, and trust is worth more than money. Arav ran after the man, catching up with him before he reached the next street. "Sir," he called, holding out the extra money, "you gave me too much. Here, please take it back." The man stopped, looked at Arav with surprise, and then smiled. "Thank you, son," he said. "Not many children would do what you just did." From that day, the man became a regular customer. He told everyone in the town about Arav's honesty. Slowly, more people came to the stall, not just for the fruits, but because they trusted Arav. Arav treated every customer the same way, with honesty, kindness, and respect. He never cheated, never lied, and always helped people pick the best fruits. People began to say, "Buy from Arav. He's an honest boy." Days turned into months, and months into years. With the money he saved and the growing trust of his customers, Arav was finally able to open a small fruit shop of his own. It was simple, but clean, organized, and full of loyal customers. His honesty had become his brand. Over the years, Arav expanded carefully. He opened a second stall, then a third. Every customer remembered him as the boy who always spoke the truth, who treated them fairly, and who made sure every fruit was fresh. And with every honest action, Arav's business grew, not because of luck, but because people trusted him. What started as a small roadside stall became a thriving business. Arav became a successful and respected man in his town, all because he chose honesty over easy money. Moral: honesty may not make you rich overnight, but it builds trust, and trust lasts a lifetime. When you are honest, people believe in you, support you, and open doors you never imagined. So, remember, every story you read, every lesson you learn brings you closer to success. Learn English effortlessly, one story at a time.